Today we're going to talk about the parrot and the blue-throated macaw. Do you know there are differences between a parrot and a blue-throated macaw? Well, here it is. These guys are both in the same family, the parrot family. But the blue-throated macaw is actually closer related to this guy than it is to most other parrots because they share a common ancestor more recently in their past. So they're more closely related. The blue-throated macaw is actually the only member of its genus. So when you're talking about a blue-throated macaw, you're talking about one specific bird. There are many different types of parrots. The blue-throated macaw is found only in the mountains of a small area in the island of Espanola, and it has a very limited diet. It feeds almost exclusively on the fruits of a single plant. And because of this, it has a very specialized beak, which is not as flexible as other parrots' beaks. Its beak is kind of like a key that fits the lock of this fruit. And if there's no fruit, then it can't really eat. And because of this, the blue-throated macaw is considered to be an endangered species. So what does this blue-throated macaw eat? Well, it eats a fruit called a guava, specifically the guava that grows in the mountains of Espanola. Now, this fruit is toxic to most animals, but the blue-throated macaw has evolved to be able to eat it. In fact, the blue-throated macaw is the only animal that can eat this fruit, and so this gives them a very specialized diet and makes them a very unique bird. Now, blue-throated macaws are known for being very intelligent birds. They're actually one of the smartest bird species in the world. But they're also known for being very shy birds. They tend to stay hidden in the mountains and they do unlike to be around people very much. And because of this, they're very difficult to study and very little is known about them. So what is the difference between a parrot and a blue-throated macaw? Well, the blue-throated macaw is a type of parrot, but it's more specifically adapted to eat a very specific type of fruit. It's a very shy, elusive bird that lives in the mountains of a small area in the island of Espanola. The average large macaw grows anywhere from 30 to 40 inches, while parrots average 3 to 25 inches long. This means that macaws outweigh the average parrot as well. Macaws grow up to 4 pounds, while most parrots average anywhere from 1 to 2 pounds total.